All party Hurriyat conference leaders have rejected India's self-styled census of 2024, calling it an unwarranted intrusion into the personal affairs of the Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders, in their separate statements issued in Srinagar, firmly asserted that the census constitutes a blatant violation of the international laws, emphasizing the inherent right of the Kashmiri people to resist the India's unjust occupation of their territory. Jailed APHC leader Bilal Siddiqui has urged the international community to fulfill its responsibilities to resolve the Kashmir dispute and stop from changing the demography of the territory, the larger interest of the people and the security in the region. According to Kashmir Media Service, Bilal Siddiqui, in a message from the Srinagar Central Jail, said that in the changing circumstances, Kashmir issues should be addressed and resolved through a sustained dialogue process. India has been treating the people of occupied Kashmir as its colony right from 1947, when its troops landed in Srinagar on 27 October 1947 against the international laws, partition plan of the subcontinent and the will of the Kashmiris. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said India's illegal action of 5th August 2019 repealing the special status of the occupied Kashmir was another violation of the international laws. Institute and Documentation Center has said that the massacres of Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir were a part of a deep-rooted conspiracy of India to silence the political demand of right to self-determination in the territory, the IDC head Professor Farhan Ali in Srinagar said January, which is the month of the massacres in occupied Kashmir, as in this month, the Indian troops perpetrated mass killings since 1989. Congress party has strongly criticized the recent decision to double the toll tax in Jammu, turning it another unfavorable move by the Bharatiya Janata Party regime. According to Kashmir Media Service, Congress Senior Vice President and Chief Spokesperson Ravinder Sharma, in a statement in Jammu, condemned the toll tax increase, calling it a cruel joke on the people of the Jammu region. Indian police booked 2 youth under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act, in the Baramulla town. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth Fayaz Ahmed and Safir Ahmed Butt were booked by the Indian police under stringent the Public Safety Act and lodged them in the Kot Bhalwal jail, Jammu. Fayaz and Safir were accused of supporting the right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. 17-year-old Adnan Altaf Maglu, a student at the Aligarh University, was found dead under mysterious circumstances. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident unfolded on Sunday afternoon when Adnan was discovered lifeless in his rented room in the Aligarh district, Uttar Pradesh.